Fashionable travel, packing for luxury getaways. Traveling in style has always been a desirable pursuit for those seeking to explore the world while embracing the finer things in life. A luxury getaway presents the perfect opportunity to showcase not only your sense of adventure but also your impeccable fashion taste. As you embark on a journey of opulence and discovery, it's essential to curate a wardrobe that reflects the destination's elegance while ensuring comfort and practicality. This article delves into the art of packing for luxury getaways, offering tips and insights to help you achieve a balance between fashion and functionality. Research and destination-appropriate attire. Before you even think about packing your bags, research is paramount. Gain a deep understanding of your chosen destination's culture, climate, and activities. Whether it's a romantic escape to the Italian Riviera, a beach retreat in the Maldives, or a cosmopolitan adventure in Paris, each location demands a distinct fashion approach. The essentials: a versatile capsule wardrobe. Creating a versatile capsule wardrobe forms the foundation of a fashionable travel experience. Begin by selecting a color palette that aligns with the destination's vibe. Neutral tones, such as black, white, beige, and navy, are timeless choices that effortlessly exude sophistication. These colors can be mixed and matched to create numerous outfits, allowing you to travel light while maintaining your style quotient. 1. The classic dress. Pack a classic dress that can seamlessly transition from day to night. A well-fitted little black dress, LBD, or a flowy maxi dress can be accessorized differently to suit various occasions. Pair it with sandals and a sun hat for daytime exploring, and elevate it with statement jewelry and heels for elegant evening dinners. 2. Chic separates. Mix and match is the name of the game. Pack tailored trousers, a few blouses, and a versatile blazer that can be dressed up or down. These pieces can be combined to create different outfits, ensuring you're prepared for spontaneous outings. 3. Resort-worthy swimwear. If your luxury getaway includes a beach or poolside lounging, don't forget to pack stylish swimwear. Opt for high-quality swimsuits that flatter your body type. A well-fitting one-piece or a tasteful bikini can make a statement while ensuring comfort and confidence. 4. Footwear selection. Shoes can be the bulkiest items in your luggage, so choose wisely. A pair of comfortable yet fashionable walking shoes is essential for exploring the destination. Consider elegant flats, loafers, or stylish sneakers that provide both comfort and style. For formal occasions, pack a pair of versatile heels that can be paired with various outfits. 5. Evening attire. Luxury getaways often include fine dining and upscale events. Pack a couple of elegant evening outfits that suit the destination's vibe. A sleek cocktail dress or tailored suit can be elevated with the right accessories, ensuring you're prepared for any lavish event that comes your way. 6. Accessories to elevate your look. Accessories are your best friends when it comes to elevating your outfits. A statement necklace, a silk scarf, or a stylish belt can transform a basic ensemble into a fashion-forward look. Remember to pack versatile pieces that complement your capsule wardrobe. 7. Outerwear with panache. Even in warmer climates, a lightweight and stylish outer layer can add an extra layer of polish to your ensemble. A tailored blazer, a chic trench coat, or a stylish kimono can enhance your look while providing practicality for varying weather conditions. 8. Day-to-night bags. Invest in a couple of versatile bags that can transition seamlessly from day to night. A roomy tote is ideal for daytime exploration, while a sleek clutch or a small crossbody bag can hold your essentials for elegant evenings. 9. Grooming and beauty essentials. Maintaining your personal grooming and beauty routine is crucial during your luxury getaway. Pack travel-sized skincare products, your favorite fragrance, and essential makeup items that allow you to effortlessly enhance your natural beauty. Don't forget sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun's rays. 10. Wrinkle-free fabrics. When selecting your clothing items, prioritize fabrics that are wrinkle-resistant. This will save you the hassle of dealing with creased garments while on the go. Fabrics like jersey, silk blends, and lightweight knits are excellent choices. Final tips for fashionable jet setting. Pack strategically, roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and reduce wrinkles. Use packing cubes to keep items organized and make the most of your suitcase's capacity. Versatility is key. Choose items that can be dressed up or down with different accessories. This will help you create various looks with fewer pieces. Jewelry care. Use a jewelry organizer or a small pouch to keep your jewelry tangle-free and protected. Avoid packing delicate items that can easily get damaged. Quality over quantity. Instead of packing a multitude of options, focus on high-quality pieces that align with your destination's atmosphere. Quality fabrics and well-constructed garments will ensure your outfits look and feel luxurious. Confidence is key. Regardless of what you wear, your confidence is your best accessory. Own your style choices, and you'll radiate elegance wherever you go. Creating unforgettable memories through fashionable travel. As you embark on your luxurious journey, remember that fashionable travel is not just about clothing, it's about creating unforgettable memories and experiences. Here are some additional tips to enhance your luxury getaway. 1. Cultural sensitivity. While expressing your personal style is important, it's equally vital to respect the local culture and customs of your destination. Research any dress codes or cultural norms to ensure that your attire is appropriate and respectful. 2. Spa and wellness attire. If your luxury getaway includes spa treatments or wellness activities, pack comfortable yet chic athleisure wear. A stylish activewear set can help you relax and rejuvenate in style. 3. Sunglasses and hats. Protecting yourself from the sun's rays is not only essential for your health but also a fashion statement. Invest in a pair of high-quality sunglasses and a fashionable hat that complements your outfits while providing necessary sun protection.